Asante. Kwaya, niombe sote tuungane kwa pamoja kwa wimbo wa taifa wa Jamhuri
with platforms like the Young Scientist Kenya that unites.
I'm saying that we're delighted an opportunity to be expressed.
Our citizens, the number of policemen to deal with growing public safety needs, the number of teachers to guide our growing student population. How then do we bridge these gaps in a sustainable yet effective way? I believe that the solution lies in scientific innovation and the harnessing of new ideas that create the ability for Kenya to leapfrog directly into new technologies. Through innovation, we can use digital technology to give our doctors remote diagnostic capacities that multiplies 100-fold the reach of each doctor. By embracing new surveillance technologies and analytics, we can expand the reach and improve the impact of our police services to combat crime and provide security.
Your Excellency, with your